Hi, I am here from KodiLearn. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can put the multiple themes in different pages in the Wordpress site. As you can see, I have installed this theme, Wordpress theme in the Wordpress. So I'm going to show you. So I'm going to Appearance and Themes. Here, as you can see, I have installed this Wordpress theme and I have this newspaper theme. At first, I customized this blog page to be for the newspaper theme, but when I switch back to the Wordpress theme, it showed me like this. What's that? So it is because Wordpress theme cannot take the shortcuts of the newspaper theme. So I need to specify the newspaper theme for the blog page, but I want for other pages to be this Wordpress theme. So how can I do that? Just you need to go to plugin and just go to add new and search for multiple themes plugin, and it will show at the beginning, and just install and activate that. I have already activated. I'm going to click on Appearance and just click on multiple themes plugin. So at first, let's look at how we can do it. Sure, at first let's choose the theme for the home. So this is my home. So this is my home page. So I want Wordpress for this, and so we'll look back later, and I'm going to save all changes. I'm going to click on Advanced Settings, and I'm going to choose here for all the pages I want Wordpress, and for all posts I want the newspaper, and save all changes. And let's click on this blog, but it is showing me like this because it's not the all post page. This is the page that I have created. So I need to specify for this. Just click on this and copy this. I'm going to copy this. Just go to settings. So I'm going to click on this theme, newspaper, and put the URL and save all changes. Now I can reload my site. So I have the newspaper theme on my blog page, and when I go to all posts, so here it is, but it is showing me the Wordpress theme. Why is it coming? So you can fix this also. So let's go to Advanced Settings, and let's choose here the newspaper, and let's refresh it. Now it has shown me the newspaper theme. Just when I click on the blog posts, now it is showing me the blog post. So when I go to home, it is showing me the Wordpress theme, but let's go to another page. In the courses page, it is showing me the newspaper theme because the course is also like a post. So we need to specify that. Just copy it, and I'm going to click on settings, and I'm going to click on the URL prefix, not miss it, and I'm going to choose here Wordpress and paste it here. So you are wondering why I choose the URL prefix button. So I'm going to explain it now. I'm going to refresh it. So as you can see, this is now the Wordpress theme. I choose the URL prefix because if I choose the URL, then when I click on this courses, it will change in the newspaper theme. So whenever I have this URL prefix, then all other pages will be the Wordpress theme. So I choose that. So when I go to black, let's look the final details water. And now here is looking good. Just when I click on all posts, and here are the posts. Just when I click on the post, it shows me the post. Now it is good now. So hope you like this video. If you like the video, then don't forget to subscribe and channel, press the bell icon, and please stay tuned. Bye bye.